Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Braintree to your Shopify. So to do this is pretty simple. Head on to your settings of your Shopify and then all you have to do is go payments. So here, all you have to do is go add payment and then locate your Braintree by searching it right here. So this will vary from country to country. So my country will not have it. So before you go down in the comment section commenting random things, I want you to know that this varies from country to country. So if this is available in your country, Braintree will appear right here. But if it's not, unfortunately, you don't have to be anything about it. So right here, Braintree will just be right here. So once you search Braintree, it's going to appear and you'll be able to add it to your payment method. So you can also use PayPal, of course, since it's just going to be the same thing. So PayPal is just also under Braintree. So you can check it out right there and you'll be able to use it as normal. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.